So now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you are aware that this is a very interesting and strange time to be a stand-up comedian in India. Not sure if you've been following the news lately, but if the last week has taught us anything, it is that a show like this must now start with a disclaimer. So it is my legal responsibility now to inform you that this is a comedy show. Okay? And by virtue of it being a comedy show, statistically, there is a non-zero chance that there could be jokes. Because we have been responding very strangely to jokes of late. You know, the normal response for jokes is move mouth, haha, move hands, clap, clap. Some people are doing throw chair, roof, roof. Which is strange. I'm sure you guys have been seeing the videos that have been popping up on social media. Like, I had no context when I saw these videos, and I just saw this comedy club being broken down. I was horrified, dude, by what I was seeing. I just saw people there, these goons have showed up, breaking everything, koi hathoda leke aaya hai, dude, and they're banging on the ground, and I was horrified because I was like, sala, yahan pe bhi rasta bana rahe ye log. What kind of punishment is this? Crazy, dude. What times we are living in. We're getting upset. Forget getting upset with jokes. That was last month. That was Would You Rather. Different. Completely different news cycle. Now we are getting upset with facts. Right? It's a weird timeline we are living in, where you are walking down the road, you see somebody getting beaten up, you're like, "Arey, isne kya kiya? Isne sach bola." You're also like, "Sach bola aur maro sale ko." Idiot, such bolta hai. What does he think this is, a functioning democracy? But no, it's weird, dude. I saw the videos, and it was saddening. It was tragic to see what was happening, right? Entire club being beaten up. Like, there was a live show going on, audience just like this, and suddenly these goons showed up. And it was tragic, but the comedy, the formula is tragedy plus time equals comedy. And it's been 3 days now. Now I'm finding it a little funny since this morning. Because there was stuff that I was seeing, the videos, some of them I did not believe they were real. You know, I thought this is parody or this is deep fake. Because there was one of the videos where these goons showed up in a comedy club and started shouting, "Kamera kidhar hai?" Okay, and poor employee truthfully said, "Kamera nahi hai. Kamera Tamil Nadu mein hai." And I promise you this is true. This guy was like, "झूठ मत बोलो. मैं 1 घंटे पहले YouTube पे वीडियो देखा. वो टाइम पे वो यही स्टेज पे था." And I saw this and I was like, bro, which concept do we explain to this guy first? No, because comedy, satire and all is seeming very advanced at this point. I think we really need to pull back and start with chapter 1, which is how internet works. Right? And poor guy, I felt bad for the employee also, who obviously he's scared, and he just said कि अरे नहीं वो पहले record करके डाला हुआ है. If it was me, I would have played along. I would have said, "Sir, आप एक काम करो, आप वीडियो प्ले करो, शायद स्टेज पे आ जाएगा वापस." Let's do it, come on. साथ में कैमरा को मैनिफेस्ट करेंगे अपन. Bizarre, I don't know how you can think like this. Like, this guy, I think he opens YouTube and sees a video of Jawaharlal Nehru making a speech. वो सीधा रेड फोर्ट पहुंच जाता है. किधर है जवाहरलाल? I have questions for you. So strange, dude. I really don't understand why politicians are beefing with comedians. Why are you beefing with us? Dude, comedians, we are citizens of this country. We want the same thing as everybody else, which is we want the growth and the progress of this country. And if there are any political government entities over here, and if it does reach, and this video reaches any government entities, I have a message for you. I have a secret I would like to share with you. And a lot of comedians will dislike me for what I'm about to say. But if you want to get rid of all the political comedians and satirists in this country, it is very easy to do it. and I will tell you exactly how to do it. All you have to do, overnight, one simple step, you can stop all the satirists, all the comedians, you can make them lose all of their jobs by just doing one thing, which is your own job. Give good governance, the satire stops. No. Because if you do your job badly, my job becomes very easy. Similarly, if you do your job well, my job becomes very difficult. Do you think I can come up on a stage over here in front of an audience of 70 people and be like, "Kya yaar, road itna acha kyun hai? Why so much employment yaar? Sucks." So strange. Like there was this video that, there was this report that came out, right? The World Happiness Index they have, of which said that Finland is the happiest country in the world. Right? Have you heard any jokes about President of Finland in your life? Because happiness and comedy are not compatible. First of all, I don't know who has spread this false information that sirf khush log haste hai. No. Comedy is for sad people. तुम लोग सब miserable है. That's why you are here. To sit with other miserable people and relate to a third person telling you a joke so that you feel less alone in your life. Comedy is tragedy plus time. Dude, if Kamra was born in Finland, he would not have a career at all. Dude, if Kamra was born in Finland with this skill set, it is very likely that wo chai wala hota.